Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back on ARK for episode 3 of season 2 of the Colonization series. Today we're going to be constructing the workshop, a simple building near the entrance of the Bastion that will serve as a place to repair and maintain equipment and vehicles for the settlement. Firstly, of course, we'll start with the base plate. This is a simple design that allows for a 4x4 square for the main workshop area, another area of similar size adjacent to it for the garage, and 2 tiles jutting out just in front of the door at the front side of the workshop to create an entranceway in the sort of like an alcove. Next, I start to place in the walls, windows and door frames. Following the style of the previous guard posts, the windows will be large vertical constructs with window frames at the bottom and a door frame above. Doorways in this building will also have window frames above them. This will ventilate the air better within the workshop, seeing as with all the mechanical workings going on, the workshop will end up getting quite hot. The garage will have a large open front. This will be used to place a dinosaur gateway which will allow for vehicles in for maintenance and upgrades. Next was the roof. After decorating the 2 outlying tiles near the entranceway with sloped sides on the top, I placed down the sloped sides, walls and roofs over both the workshop and garage, creating peaked apex roofs on both sides. The sloped sides on the entrance side of the main workshop proved quite finicky. You have to place separating walls underneath the sloped sides where the jutting tiles are, and make sure that the back side of the wall is facing into the build, otherwise the walls will end up facing the wrong way on the outside and it will look quite messy. Next, I place the entranceway and elevator in the garage. The elevator will work to raise up vehicles for maintenance, allowing for access to the underside of said vehicles. I place the gateway down first manually, and then place the elevator track base and a medium platform inside, and finally the gateway to close off the entrance. Unfortunately, the gateway door does clip through the elevator when it opens, but unfortunately I couldn't find a way around this. Finally, when this was all done, it was time to of course furnish. I placed lights atop the jutting tiles near the entrance to highlight of course the entranceway. Coming into the workshop, I've tried to keep an emphasis on minimalist use of space, seeing as the workshop will be quite a busy place and thus the space will be necessary. As you can see, I've placed a couple of refining forges, smithies and such, but in general I've tried to keep the space as open as possible. The garage is a bit more lacking in available space, with most of the space in the room being taken from the elevator bay for repairing the ATV. This room features a fabricator for advanced mechanics and of course the source of power for the workshop, the tech generator, but in general the main focus of this room is again the vehicle repair bay. And there we have it, the workshop, a clean and useful build for the upkeep of equipment and vehicles within the Bastion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do go ahead and drop a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions on what builds you'd like to see in the Bastion in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the channel whilst you're there are many ARK videos already up on the channel with many more to come, so subscribe to make sure you never miss a video. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.